Keeping your Impressia clean is key to getting the best productivity out of it. Be sure to perform these simple tasks on a regular basis or at least once a week. If your environment is excessively dusty or if your production usage is heavy, perform them more frequently. Paper dust particles can accumulate on the laser lenses of each imaging drum. A lens cleaning wand is provided for cleaning these lenses. Remove the wand and insert it into the slot indicated inside the printer. Slide the wand back and forth in the slot several times. Repeat this procedure for each imaging drum. Located just inside the front door in the bottom right-hand corner of the printer, the paper dust receptacle catches most of the paper dust inside the printer. Gently push down the blue handle and pull the receptacle out of the printer. Empty the contents in a trash bin and slide the receptacle back into the printer. Open the side door to gain access to the registration roller and the transfer roller. Dampen a lint-free cloth with water and rub the surface of the registration roller to remove any toner residue or paper dust particles. Crank the blue handle to rotate the roller as you clean it. Do not use any solvents on the registration roller. Use only water and a lint-free cloth. Squeeze the green clip and remove the transfer roller from the printer. Using only a dry, lint-free cloth, brush the surface of the roller as you rotate it by hand. Do not use water or any solvents on the transfer roller. Replace the roller, making sure that the green clip is secured. The three multi-purpose tray rollers work together to feed media into the printer from the tray or the enterprise feeder. Keep these rollers clean to minimize the chance of misfeeds. Press down on the small blue clip on the first roller and slide the roller off its spindle. Using a pair of hemostats or small needle nose pliers, remove the white clip from the second roller. Slide the roller off its spindle. You may need to depress the third roller slightly to relieve pressure on the second roller. Remove the white clip from the third roller and slide it off its spindle. Gently rinse these rollers under running water. Do not use any solvents or detergents. Dry them fully before replacing them. Now replace them in reverse order, beginning with the third roller. Remove both trays to access the feed rollers. Use a lint-free cloth to wipe the rollers and remove any paper dust or debris. Now replace the trays. You should remove the internal components periodically and clean the area inside the printer to prevent buildup of toner and dust particles. Carefully unlatch and pull each imaging drum out of its printer. Do not touch the drum's surface. Protect the drum from prolonged exposure to light. Open the printer side door before removing the transfer belt. Unlatch the belt and carefully slide it out of the printer. Use the green handles to lift the belt. Do not touch or scratch the belt surface. With all the internal components removed, wipe the interior surfaces with a dry, clean cloth. Carefully replace the transfer belt and lock it. When replacing the imaging drums, slide them in fully with moderate force to ensure they're engaged with their drive gears. Close all the printer doors and your Impressia is ready for printing.